Charlie. Taxi for 1-2 departure to the north, Mustang Beach.
Stearman is just off the departure end, about to come back to the west of Sherman Outlet.
Was that Stearman from Mustang Beach?
Sir, where are you?
I'm getting ready to do a back taxi to 1-2. Is that okay?
Oh yeah, no back.
All right, Mustang Beach traffic law 7110 Charlie, back taxi in 1-2. So 1-2 departure to the north, Mustang Beach.
Mustang Beach traffic, Stearman 207 on a left downwind, approaching the base for a full stop 1-2 Mustang.
And Mustang Beach traffic, lot of 7110 Charlie, departing 1-2, northbound departure, Mustang Beach.